So today I'm talking about a Dodge with the P0430 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a Dodge P0430 code? Well, it's a catalyst system efficiency below threshold bank 2. And what does this mean? Well, there's sensors that are located on the exhaust, and they do two things. The first thing they do is they monitor how much oxygen was burnt off during combustion, and then the onboard computer uses this information to adjust the air-fuel ratio mixture that goes into the cylinder, and it also monitors the catalytic converter. And with the P0430 code, those sensors are seeing that the catalytic converter is falling below at 95% efficiency, and so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And so some possible causes, well, there could be an exhaust leak, could be a bad sensor, catalytic converter might have failed, and it's also possible that there's an engine problem that's causing this code. For example, if there's a bad fuel injector or something like that, then it could be clogging up the catalytic converter, but usually when that happens, you're going to get other codes. So if you are getting other codes, be sure to pay attention to that. And V6 and V8 engines, they have two banks. Bank 1 is always the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder, and then the opposite of that is bank 2. So if you find the number 1 cylinder, that's going to be bank 1, and then the opposite is going to be bank 2. It is a good idea to get a diagram where all the O2 sensors are laid out on your particular Dodge, since there can be some slight differences. For example, this is a 2005 Dodge Ram, and bank 2 sensor 1 is right here, bank 2 sensor 2 is right here. Sensor 1 is going to be before the catalytic converter, and it's also called the upstream oxygen sensor. And sensor 2 is going to be after the catalytic converter or right on it, and is also called the downstream oxygen sensor. But the first thing to go do is to locate bank 2, sensor 1, and sensor 2 oxygen sensors. And be sure to keep a lookout for any exhaust leaks, because exhaust leaks can cause issues. They could throw these sensors off. So be sure to keep a lookout for any kind of exhaust leaks. And once you locate the bank 2 oxygen sensors, there's two ways you go about troubleshooting this. You could test the sensors and see if they failed, and if they have, then you replace those. But if they test good, then it's very likely the catalytic converter. Or you could test the catalytic converter. I made a video on how you go about testing the O2 sensor heater element side. If you want to check that out, I'll put a link down below. There's also different ways you go about testing the catalytic converter. Quite often when a catalytic converter is having an issue, it becomes clogged up. And so the engine has to work harder, and it doesn't have as much power as it once did. So if the engine doesn't have as much power as it once did, then you might have a clogged up catalytic converter. Some mechanics, what they'll do if they think this is the problem, is that they'll bust loose one of these bolts and leave this open like a 1/4 inch. And then they'll drive it around the block and see if it has more power. Another method is that you use an infrared thermometer and you measure the heat before and after the catalytic converter. And if it's clogged up, it's going to be hotter before than after the catalytic converter, since it's having problems pushing the air out. But if it's hotter after the catalytic converter, then it's usually a sign that it's good. I made a video on that also. I'll put a link down below if you need to check that out. But the next thing to go do is to test those O2 sensors and be sure they're good. And if those test good, then to test the catalytic converter and see if it's failed. And so that's basically it. I just want to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a Dodge with the P0430 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.